Welcome back guys. So in our previous video we have talked about how we take the backup, physical backup, file system backup. For that we have stopped our Postgres cluster and then we took the backup. Today we are talking about PG based backup utility. So what is that? We'll see. So this is a utility provided by Postgres and we take the backup of our data directory with this. So PG base backup command in Postgres used to perform a base backup Postgres cluster. Okay, so it will take the backup of a Postgres cluster. That cluster is your data directory. A base backup is a starting point for various backup and recovery operations. Like if you have a point in time recovery or a replication, anything, or your data is lost or anything. So base backup is required first. Okay, and pg base backup command helps us in that. And in our previous session when we're talking, for this we have stopped the server, but pg base backup, this command connects to running Postgres instance and copies the necessary file when that database is running. Okay, so we need not to stop the database before taking the backup of using pg base backup. And this backup includes data files, transaction logs, that's all the files required for recovery of the database. Okay, like your configuration files, all the things you can have it. So the syntax for this is very simple. This is pg base backup hyphen u Postgres. I'm using Postgres user because for pg base backup you require a super user or a user who has replication privileges. Okay, so it's better if you use Postgres or some other user which is super user. Okay, so hyphen u Postgres, this ft, this is for format of the file, capital F. T is for tar file. Okay, small t is tar file format, tar. Okay, so here with hyphen capital F small t, I'm showing that I'm going to take the tar backup of the base backup, and hyphens capital D and then the location of the file. Okay, so this is how we take the backup. So this is PG base backup utility. Now let's go to the lab and see how we take the backup using this. Okay, okay, let me clear this. Okay, so as you already know, we need not to stop the Postgres cluster for this. But so let's see what we have right now. The status is not running, so let us start the server. Okay, so server is started. It is started. Now we are going to take the backup using this is our previous backup. Let me remove it. Okay, we are taking the backup here. We take it. So the base backup and then not here, pg base backup, as I have set the environment variable so I can use it here anywhere. Okay, so pg base backup hyphen new Postgres and the location where I want to take the backup. So this is the location hyphen d. I want my backups here. It will ask the password for Postgres user. Okay, see, files are getting copied. Okay, these are wall files, these are base files, and these are your maybe some other files, maybe your table spaces or anything. These are important files. Base backup is the most important. If we are using this base backup to some later states, then we do not require these wall files. Okay, but for right now it will copy everything. So we see this is completed. Okay, so this is how you take the backup using PG base backup utility, and it will take the backup of everything. If you want to recover from it, you can just uh, take this base backup, and you need to restore it anywhere you want. Okay, I'll show you when we are doing the labs for point in time recovery or other. I'll show you how to recover from these base backups. Okay, so that's all from this video. I'll be seeing in the next video where we are talking about point in time recovery. So thank you.